Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about pH. Sorry, the video last night, I don't know what happened to it. It was in the process of uploading. I guess it didn't upload and the Chromebook has deleted it since it has limited memory. Let's make another one. So we're talking about pH, pOH, and when we define concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxide. So first thing, anytime you see brackets, it means concentration. So this is a concentration of hydrogen. This is the concentration of hydroxide. Okay? So if I give you one of these, you need to find pH or pOH. Notice pH is the potential of hydrogen right there. pOH is the potential of hydroxide. So to find that, we do negative log of either our hydrogen concentration, if we're looking for pH, pOH, we're looking for the negative log of hydroxide. So what that means is you plug in the number you see. You can plug in the actual number like 0.001 or 1 times 10 to the negative third. Doesn't matter which one. It equals, it's going to give you a pH. Okay? So we plug that in. If, like on the worksheet, you need to find the opposite. So if they give you the pH and you need to find the hydrogen ion concentration, we do what's called the second function of your calculator. It's also just 10 to the power of. So on your calculator, it might look like 10 to the power of, and you could just type in 10 to the power of. It might be 10 x to the y. That might be a button that you have on your calculator. It just depends on your calculator. So to get pH for when you have the hydrogen ion, get the hydrogen ion concentration with the pH, you do 10 to the negative pH. If we need to find hydroxide concentration, we do 10 to the negative pOH. Okay? So you can solve a bunch of things on the worksheet. The one thing that's missing is anytime you need to find out pH or pOH and convert between them. So pH plus pOH equals 14. So if you, on your worksheet today, if it says that you have a pOH of 6, you do 14 minus 6 means you do have a pH of 8, okay? And then you can use your function to get back to hydrogen ion concentration or hydroxide ion concentration. Same thing, if it gives you a pOH, you can take that and you can just convert it. If you have a hydroxide ion concentration of 0.01, find your pOH, so you take the negative log of that. 14 minus that, that's going to give you pH, and then you can use your 10 to the power of negative pH to find your H+. So you can use all these interchangeably. So just as a quick recap, hydrogen ion concentration, and we can use that to find pH, so we do the negative log of H+, which is hydrogen ions, to find pH. If you want to work backwards, and if you want to find the hydrogen ion concentration from pH, we do 10 to the power of negative pH. It's the same reflective thing for pOH, okay? We just substitute hydroxide for hydrogen. So if you have hydroxide ion concentration, you do negative log of that to find the pOH. If we need to find the hydroxide ion concentration, we do 10 to the power of the negative pOH. And if you need to convert between pH and pOH, you do 14 minus whichever one you have, because the two of them together equal 14. Okay? Hope that helps. Sorry the video did not post last night. And if you have any questions, please email me, or you could join the live Q&A tomorrow and we'll work through it. Have a nice day.